Number 1. The fastest way to make money is to solve a problem. The bigger the problem you solve, the more money you make. Number 2. It's pretty easy to get well-to-do slowly. But it's not easy to get rich quick. Number 3. Those who reach decisions promptly and definitely know what they want, and generally get it. Number 4. We make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give. Number 5. The man who does more than he is paid for will soon be paid for more than he does. Number 6. Do not waste your time on social questions. What is the matter with the poor is poverty. What is the matter with the rich is uselessness. Number 7. People who advocate simplicity have money in the bank. The money came first, not the simplicity. Number 8. The greatest wealth is not in what you have, but in whom you find it. Number 9. To the rich, therefore, falls the burden of beauty. And if they cannot assume it, then they deserve to die. Number 10. If all the rich people in the world divided up their money among themselves, there wouldn't be enough to go around. Number 11. I have always found that it is far more convenient to be rich rather than to be poor. Number 12. Neatness and cleanliness is not a function of how rich or poor you are, but that of mentality and principle. Last and most important, when you optimize your talents very well, you can pick money from people's pockets and nobody will ever get the guts to call you a thief. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.